Hello and welcome to Goa News Now, friends. Today, the news is really shocking. Shocking kidak? Those people whom you can see in the camera behind me, everybody is either a family member or himself was in defense, ex-serviceman Monta Denga. And today, everybody is gathered here at this ECSS Polyclinic in Chikalim, demanding their right of medical facility. Problem कित्याक जालें? They was availing facility at one of the hospitals in Goa, आणि well-known hospital in Goa, आणि suddenly एक bill amount paid जाऊना with from the government side, with the defense ministry side payment जाऊना, म्हणून आयज ते सगळे जे फाटल्यान जे तुम्ही पळयता जे डिफेन्स पर्सनल आहा, एक्स डिफेन्स पर्सनल वेटरन्स, तांकां सगळ्यांक मेडिकल फॅसिलिटी बंद केलेले आसा. आयज अशी परिस्थिती आयलेली आसा दॅट दीज वेटरन्स आर क्रायींग फॉर हेल्प. ते म्हणटा की ते हॅड नेवर इवन इमॅजिन्ड दॅट द कंट्रिब्युशन वीच दे वॉज मेकिंग वायल इन बीइंग इन सर्वीस एंड इवन आफ्टर द रिटायरमेंट थ्रू देअर पेन्शन और वायल इन फ्रॉम द सॅलरी, आयज तोच मेडिकल फॅसिलिटी तांकां उपलब्ध ना. हांगा क्लिनीक जे आसा ECS क्लिनीक, इट इज जस्ट अ प्रायमरी center where they come and they just get the first aid kind of a treatment. बाकी जे एक्सपर्टीज आसता आनी बाकी जे ट्रिटमेंट आसता ते एम्पेलंट हॉस्पिटलान जाता. आयज ते सगळे हॉस्पिटल जे आसा तांकां थंय मेळना फॅसिलिटी, आनी जे कारण आसा तो 5 करोड बिल आहा तेज्याच खातीर तांकां मेळना. एक अराउंड 4,500 plus families of defense personnel in Vasco itself are facing problem. And they have today, while speaking to media, they said that if situation arise, they are even ready to go for hunger strike. They have even said that the South Goa MP Captain Viriato Fernandes, who himself is a defense personnel, have taken the matter to the higher ups. Even the Vasco MLA took the matters to the higher ups in union and other forums, but there is nothing which is seen on the ground. म्हणून आयज सगळे एजिटेटेड आसा. एवरीबडी इज वॉन्टिंग सम कायंड ऑफ अ हेल्प सो दॅट दीस प्रॉब्लेम ऑफ मेडिकल फॅसिलिटी जे सद्या तांकां प्रॉब्लेम जाल्लेलो आसा दॅट शूड बी रिजॉल्व. आयका what these people had to say when we spoke to them about the issue.
ECHS का नाम से ही आप लोगों को पता चलता है, एक सर्विसमैन कंट्रीब्यूटरी हेल्थ स्कीम, यानी ये हमारे कंट्रीब्यूशन से ये स्कीम चल रही है. तो हमारा सिंपल सा आंसर है, जब हमने कंट्रीब्यूट किया है पैसा, तो पैसा गवर्नमेंट क्यों नहीं दे रही है हमारे ट्रीटमेंट के लिए. और मोर ऑफ दम यहाँ हम जितने खड़े हैं, हम ओनली एक एग्जाम्पल लेंगे. मान लीजिए अगर किसी की हस्बैंड नहीं है, वो विधवा है, विडो, वीर नारी जिसको हम बोलते हैं, 60 साल से अगर ऊपर है, आज अगर उसको ट्रीटमेंट के लिए जाना है, वो किसी तरह किसी से रिक्वेस्ट करके अपने आस पड़ोस से कहीं हॉस्पिटल में पहुंच जाएगी, लेकिन वो पैसा लाएगी कहाँ से. सबसे बड़ा मेन मुसीबत यहाँ फाइनेंशियली है. अभी जो सर ने एग्जांपल दिया है, 2 दिन पहले जो 7 लाख रुपये खर्चा हुआ, अभी बोलते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट रेट से मिलेगा, बट कौन उसके पीछे भागेगा? किसके पास उतना टाइम है? अगर एक 60 साल से ऊपर का आदमी है, वो अपना चल नहीं पा रहा है, क्या आपको लगता है कि वो क्लेम कर पाएगा? वो तो फाइनेंशियली तो गया, और फाइनेंशियली एक बार जाने के बाद वो मेंटली भी चला गया. तो जो भी इसका रीजन है, जो भी इसमें दोषी हैं, उनको शर्म आनी चाहिए. एक हमने अपना खून दिया है, हमने अपना जवानी दिया है, और उस चीज़ का नौबत ये आई है कि हमको ट्रीटमेंट के लिए मीडिया के सामने आ रहा है. इससे शर्म की बात और कुछ होनी नहीं चाहिए.
सीमा सिंह, सेम सर ने जो कहा वो सेम प्रॉब्लम है सर. हम ट्रीटमेंट की वजह से हॉस्पिटल नहीं जा पा रहे हैं कि कॉस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो उस डर से कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम होता है सॉर्ट आउट घर में ही करने का ट्राई करते हैं. सेम एज इट इज़ प्रॉब्लम वही है जो सर ने बताया है, और हम ये चाहते हैं कि जल्दी से जल्दी सॉर्ट आउट हो सारी प्रॉब्लम और हमारा ट्रीटमेंट रीस्टार्ट हो. दैट्स ऑल.
मणिपाल हमारे पैनल में है, तो जो कॉस्टली टेस्ट हैं वो हमारे ECHS पैनल में नहीं आते हैं, तो हम लोगों को उसको फिर बाहर जा कर के कराना पड़ता है, और रीइंबर्समेंट 20% 40% वही आता है, जबकि वो 18-20 ऐसे कॉस्टली टेस्ट हैं. तो ना ECHS में अवेलेबल है, ना मणिपाल में हम लोगों के लिए हैं. तो बोलते हैं ECHS पैनल में नहीं है, तो ऐसा क्यों? जब फैसिलिटी वहाँ पर है तो हमें मिलनी चाहिए.
और अभी जो सडनली बंद कर दिया है फैसिलिटी, उसके ऊपर
सर जो वहाँ पर ऑनगोइंग ट्रीटमेंट है वो कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए, कि हम लोग सभी इतनी सर्विस करने के बाद जो भी हमारी फैमिलीज़ हैं, तो सर्व किया है नेवी के लिए, हमने तो नहीं किया, बट हम लोग डिपेंडेंट हैं. बट हमें जो वहाँ पर फैसिलिटी है, ट्रीटमेंट है, वो कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए. वेदर इट इज़ फैमिली और वेटर्न ओनली, बट हमें कंटिन्यू मिलना चाहिए वो treatment।
बजट कैसा हिल जाता है अगर ऐसा सडनली मेडिकली?
सर क्योंकि हम लोगों का सेट है कि हमारा जो ट्रीटमेंट है ECHS के पैनल में होगा। पैनल में हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी हस्बैंड लोग ने पे किया हुआ है और मंथली भी जो पे हो रहा है, तो हम लोग माइंड सेट है कि भाई हमारा ट्रीटमेंट होना है, तो हम लोग मेडिकल हेल्थ की तरफ ज़्यादा नहीं करते अपने बजट को, और नॉर्मली जो हमारी डेली बेसिस की रिक्वायरमेंट है या घर के बच्चों की एजुकेशन है उस पर ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं, क्योंकि एक तरीके से माइंड सेट है कि हाँ भाई हमारा मेडिकल ट्रीटमेंट हम लोगों के लिए है अवेलेबल। यदि पहले से होगा तो आदमी उस हिसाब से चलेगा जैसे आउटसाइड सिविल में करते हैं लोग, बट हम लोगों का वो माइंड सेट नहीं है, और अचानक ये जो प्रॉब्लम आ जाती है तो सब पे मेंटल प्रेशर आता है, क्योंकि इतने इकोनॉमिकली सब लोग मेडिकल के लिए साइड में नहीं सोचते हैं, क्योंकि हम लोगों को रहता है कि हमें मिलेगा ट्रीटमेंट, बट जब सडन से वो ट्रीटमेंट रुक जाता है तो एक मेंटल प्रेशर आता है सभी पे।
All ex-servicemen of Vasco area to address the issue of ECHS impellment. And I am Mr. Tikam Singh Rana, the President of United Trade Association. We have been pursuing this issue since almost last 2 months. That first of all, we come from the Indian Navy. That Indian Navy, one of the finest service where we have served. So we are proud of Indian Navy, and also we are proud of ourselves that we have served such prime services. Another I would like to praise our clinic, this polyclinic. Vasco Polyclinic is giving us one of the best treatment, I can't say treatment, but one of the best facilities. So there is no issue with the Vasco Polyclinic and also with the Indian Navy. Problem lies that when the impellment, there is only one impellment hospital, that is Manipal Hospital, for the entire Goa. Another hospital is SMRC, but SMRC has the limited sources. Only Manipal has the super specialty hospital, which is catering for all our services. But recently, from last 1.5 months, they have stopped the treatment. They have stopped the impellment of the ex-servicemen. Now, what is happening in that? The ex-servicemen, those who are suffering from the life-threatening disease, like some of them, they are continuously on the dialysis. Some of them, they are suffering from the cancer. The chemotherapy has to be done. These all treatments are very, very costly. And if the impellment is not there, if they have to pay from their pocket, then their entire savings will go into the treatment, and their future plans will be vanished. So they will not be left with any other option, either to pay the entire amount or to die. Same thing has happened recently. One of our veteran whose wife was sick, he has to spend 7 to 8 lakh rupees on her treatment. And then when the treatment cost was going high and high, he has shifted his wife to the GMC. But at last, she could not be saved. But his money has gone into the hospital, it has gone to the vein. Same thing is happening with the other patients. People means veterans are waiting. They are facing the life-threatening diseases. Some have to be operated, some has to be given some treatment, but they are not going to Manipal Hospital or to some other hospital just to save the money. So they are waiting that as soon as this Manipal implementation starts, they will go and then they will get treated. So we are urging Manipal Hospital authorities to reconsider this. We know that your due amount is almost approximately 5 crore rupees, but you also know that these guarantees given by, or this through the MOU guarantees given by the central ministries from the Ministry of Defence. Now, if not today, then tomorrow your bills will be cleared. So, just because of your one decision, that what pressure tactics you are using, just because of that, we veterans are suffering. We all have served the nation. Some of them they have served for 15 years, some of them they have served for 35 years, up to 33 years. The peoples are there. They are sincere, your senior veterans. They are elderly age. They cannot run around do all the formalities. So we request first of all the Ministry of Defence to release the fund as soon as possible, because this is a very small amount for them. Defence budget is very huge budget. Out of that, your releasing only 5 crore is not a very difficult task. So they can do it. Another request we would like to make to the hospital, Manipal Hospital. You have been serving us very well. We are thankful to you. But kindly reconsider this, our request, and start the our treatment, start the implementation, start the MOU with them. Thank you. About Vasco, in Vasco only we are approximately 4,500 veterans which are registered with the Vasco Polyclinic. Apart from that, the peoples to the Manipal, they are coming from the Panjim area, from the Madgaon area, from the Karwar area, from this Ratnagiri side, from this Sindhudurg side, they are coming. All of them, they are coming to Manipal only. But from Vasco area, today we have gathered, these all ex-servicemen are from Vasco. So it is like our request with a folded hand to both the organizations. One is the Ministry of Defence, another is the Manipal hospitals. That kindly continue with the treatment and give us the relief. Because we are living एक डर लग रहा है सभी को, किसको किस दिन क्या बीमारी हो जाए और उसको हॉस्पिटल ले जाना पड़ जाए, कितना पैसा खर्चा होगा, जो पैसा बचा के रखा हुआ है हमने फ्यूचर के लिए अपने, वो बच पाएगा नहीं बच पाएगा. तो सबसे बड़ा डर हमारे सबके मन में वो है. उसके लिए हम लोगों ने, वी ऑल आर वेरी डिसिप्लिन, यू नो दैट आर्म फोर्सेस वेटरन्स आर वेरी डिसिप्लिन. वी नेवर कम ऑन द रोड्स, बट टुडे also it was very hard decision for us that we have to come here and gather and speak against our organization, that is Ministry of Defence and the hospitals. We don't want to do it in future, but yes, certainly if the demands are not met, if the things are not again restarted, then we may have to rethink about our next plan of action. That could be anything, because then it is a matter of our life, matter of our dependents, those who are depending upon our wife, our children, those who are depending upon these treatments. So again and again we are requesting these authorities to reconsider and start the treatment. Thank you. South Goa MP also has made a representation to the Ministry of Defence Secretary, and also he has wrote a letter to Defence Minister, whose reply is already given by the Defence Minister in positive way. Also we have through our Honorable MLA, Vasco MLA Daji Salkar, we have met our Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister Goa, that is Pramod Sawant sir. They have also assured us. But also we have made a letter to the different authorities, but practically nothing is happening on the ground. See, day by day, each day is passing, the people, those who are suffering with the disease is eating them away. They are afraid कि कल को क्या हो जाएगा हमारे साथ में. They are not going to the hospitals because hospital जाएंगे तो लाखों को खर्चा है, छोटा मोटा खर्चा नहीं है. ये कीमोथेरेपी हो गई, डायलिसिस हो गई, ट्रीटमेंट ये और किडनी ट्रांसप्लांटेशन, ये सारी ऐसी जैसे बैकबोन इशूज है, ये सभी कॉस्टली अर्थाइटिस हो गए, ये सारे कॉस्टली ट्रीटमेंट्स हैं. और उनके ऊपर यदि जो ये हमारा राइट है, वी आर नॉट आस्किंग फॉर एनी हेल्प और वी आर नॉट आस्किंग फॉर एनी कोई दया की भीख नहीं मांग रहे हम किसी से. ये ट्रीटमेंट जो है जो ईसीएच के थ्रू होता है, ये हमारा राइट है. इसके लिए हमने वन टाइम कंपलसरी पेमेंट किया हुआ है. द पेमेंट इज वी हैव डन इन लैक्स. सम ऑफ देम दे हैव पेड 1.5 lakh वन टाइम पेमेंट. Every month, our monthly fixed medical allowance, which we are supposed to get in case we don't have any facility around here, then we are supposed to get 2,000 rupees per month. The 2,000 rupees per month is being deducted, means almost 24,000 rupees per year is being deducted from our pension, which is not visible. So 24,000 per year and plus 1.5 lakh rupee pay lump sum amount. After that also if we have to come on the road, then it is a matter of shame to the authorities, and also we feel very sorry about it. So again, we only can request at present. So we don't want to do such action that which will harm the name what has been created by the armed forces, that is discipline. We want to remain in the framework of that.
सो म्हाका दिसता फाटींच आमी एक सर्वीसमॅनाचें एक डेलिगेशन घेवन ऑनरेबल सीएमाक मेळिल्ले. तांचे 3-4 प्रॉब्लेम्स आशिल्ले, तातूंतले 3 प्रॉब्लेम थंयच्या थंय सुटावे केल्ले. आनी हो ECHचो पसून प्रॉब्लेम आसा तो पसून सीएमान चीफ सेक्रेटरीक सांगून दिल्ली उलोवपाक लायिल्ले. ताच्या मागीर काल म्हाका तांचो फोन आयिल्लो की अशें आज आमी गॅदर जावपा आसा म्हणून. तेन्ना हांवें ऑनरेबल सीएमाकूय सांगलें, दोनूय नंबर दिल्लीचे काल हांवें काडून घेतिल्ले आसा. आनी मे बी आज नाल्यार फाल्यां भितर दिल्ली उलो तांचो कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसा मॅडिकल फॅसिलिटीचो तो आमी क्लियर करतले. हो जावपाक कितें जाय बेगीन की खुबशे लोक हांगा एक सर्वीसमॅन हांगा राविल्ले आसा आनी तांकां ताजें बेनिफीट म्हणजे तांचेच ओन हातूंतले मेळप हें साहजीक आसा. सो खंय तरी टॅक्निकल कितें प्रॉब्लेम आसा तो काडून जाता तितले बेगीन तांचो हो प्रॉब्लेम सुटावो करतले.